What are you eating? Cookies? You like that cookies, ha? You like your pasalubong? From Paris? Ayan, puro cookies kasi.
It's from Paris.
Where's yours? Diba I gave you one?
What?
The one that like that? Like candies? Where is it? I think
It's good now.
I think it's my room.
I think it's not. I think I throw it in the bin now.
You finish it?
Yeah, I finished it.
Kendall,
Now it's on here. Now it's on here.
where?
Now it's here.
Ah, nasa tummy mo na.
Yeah.
Ah,
No.
kinain na daw niya. Hey, say hi people. Hi people, naiya pa oh. Where are we going? Where mommy going?
Touch it.
Ha?
Come on.
Come on, where?
Oh,
Kain is life ka.
I'll use this one.
You wanna use that?
Yeah.
Pang baby yan eh. Sleep na later ha.
Yeah.
And you ha, sleep later, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Kaya nga, inaantok na to eh. Pero tingnan mo, naglalaro na naman. Ha? You don't like picture?
I'm here.
Watch out. Wow. Careful dyan. Ako, aalis ako, magre-ready ako. Ito yung hindi ko pa nasuot. Magle-leather ako ngayon. Red leather. Kaayos pa ako ng hair ko. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. Okay, race. Oh, careful. Oh, si Kendall, Kendall. Bitawan mo muna yan, baby. Give it to mommy. Hold mommy lang. Ayaw niya, baby. Bitawan. Pagkain niya daw yan. Ayaw niya bitawan. Ask Kendall.
Can I have honey bottle? No. Honey bottle, please.
Ayun na, use the other one. Use the other.
Use this one.
Dali na. Go get your bike na lang. Yung color red. Dali. Bigger. Because you're big boy.
No, I want that one.
Why you want that one?
Too small for you.
Thank you.
Where's the brain?
He's gone. Di mo kaya yan, baby. Yung mini office ko dito sa taas, yung pinaglalagay niya, Pak, sino ka dyan? Puldo. Of course, bumili kayo ng aming mga product. Tayo na lang dalawang
Garden.
nilalagay nyo dyan. Kendall, sleep na ikaw.